residential yard drain systems. 99 out of 100 residential yard drain systems are going to include a French drain. We're up high on a hill. All the water collects right in the swale between the yards. You can see this yard's built up too. Big collection area. We got a couple points where a tree has raised the grade, creating a bit of a dam to the catch drain. That's a storm drain catch basin in the corner right there. We have a great collection area, but we got water standing. What we're gonna do is we're gonna dig out a trench. We're gonna remove all that heavy soil. We're gonna haul it off site. We're gonna fill that channel with stone. Nothing takes care of a yard water problem better than stone. For a French drain, a real French drain, a stone French drain, give us a call.